I propose to approve the document in common. Therefore, declare Decision 43-8B.37 adopted as amended. Our sincere congratulations to Italy, and you are welcome to make your intervention on behalf of the State Party. Welcome.
Thank you, Minister. There are so many people who would like to thank today. First of all, UNESCO, the President of the World Heritage Committee and all its members, the President of ICOMOS and its staff, the Scientific Committee, the Italian government. With me today are my friend, Agriculture Minister, Mr. Centinaio, and the people, the farmers and the families that live in the wonderful area of the Prosecco Hill. I'm really enthusiastic about the inclusion of the Prosecco Hills in the UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites. This inclusion makes us more responsible towards our territory, which is now part of the entire world's heritage. Our commitment now is to preserve the exceptional site for our future generations. After 10 years of hard work, we can finally celebrate a unique moment in which we feel really proud for this achievement and then for enjoying the UNESCO World. The Prosecco Hills perfectly represent an outstanding example of traditional human settlement and the land use representative of a specific culture resulting from human interaction with the environment. From now on, our aim is to do our best to obtain the most fruitful results from the UNESCO designation. Thank you very much. Thank you.